Oh, there's the beach access right there. Okay. So this is the private beach. Oh, we can go into the beach. Oh, little squirrel. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. I'm visiting your hometown. You look so cute. Look at that. Wow, you eat fast. I'm not too much of a beach person, but it looks nice. I guess we can just stay there and kind of like read a book. And we do need the key to go back in. For Lake Arrowhead Resort and Spa guests, no jumping or swimming. Oh, nice. Well, I am a resort guest. Can walk my dog here. When I visit these places, I think the things that get me most excited are the cute little animals that I get to see. Like the mosquitoes that I just saved from the room. Someone fishing right there. Do you guys hear that? It reminds me of the bird this morning. I hope he's okay. Really gets me sad. But Erica, you have to remember that that's the circle of life. And I know there were birds trying to help the bird that fell in front of my house. Just that Mother Nature is so beautiful. Look, can you guys hear it? I can hear little squirrels behind me. Birds. The big trees. Look at that tree. Mother Nature is just so miraculous. Look at that. He's bent. He goes like this. It's straight, and then it goes like that. I'm so fortunate to be hearing birds like this right now. And here they're singing. Look at that sound. I'm so blessed to be able to hear the beautiful birds. If I have a favorite song, it'll be the sound of the birds. Mother Nature is just so alive. We just have to hear her. Oh, there's a beautiful bird right there. I just don't want to scare him. There he is. Look at that. Is that you singing? Oh, you're beautiful. Thank you for letting me see you. Wow. You're gorgeous. Beautiful. One of my favorite things to do lately is to walk slow. To breathe slow. Stop. At any moment of the walk, I really smell everything around me. The different type of flowers, even the pollen around me, or mosquitoes. Okay, where am I? Oh, it's like a little room or something. I guess so people can get married or something. Nice. I'll just stay in there. Brief closure. where people dance or something? Cool. Like the lake view. This grass is definitely fake. There's Mr. Squirrel in there. Hi, little one. Oh, you look like a possum. Are you a possum? You're looking at me for sure. I think this is probably a squirrel. So cute. Look what I just saw. Oh. Hi, little one. Oh. Oh. There he is. There's a lot of them. Whenever I see a beautiful bird, anything that I don't see at home, I always say thanks to whatever I saw. Like if I saw a cute bird, I like to say thank you for letting me see you, because we all share the same planet. I don't want to say in their home, because this is also my home. This planet, we share the same planet. Yeah, I really don't want to go around all the way over there, so I'm gonna hide that little thing right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. The good thing is that I have really good hiking shoes right now. With the boots, I wouldn't have been able to do this. I would be slippering. Okay, I already got tired. So I heard there was a really good bookstore around here. So let's check it out. I just looked online. Hey, they closed 20 minutes ago. That's fine. The bookstore was supposed to be here, because this one right here on Google Maps is showing this, and then it's supposed to be here, so it's closed. It closed. It gets me a little bit sad when I see a business close, but then I have to remind myself that destruction and creation go hand in hand. If they close, I just wish them that what they're doing now is something even better. I kind of want to get ice cream, but it's already 4, about to be 4:30, so no, I'll pass. I was debating whether to bring my daughter or not. Obviously, I've stayed at hotels before, and I stay by myself as well, but usually it was for work. This is the first time that I get an hotel for myself, just because I wanted to, just for fun. And I was debating whether to bring my daughter. For the first couple of times, I want to just kind of experience it by myself. Because if I bring my daughter, I feel like I have to train her. One time she pooped in the middle of Home Depot. I used to take her, obviously I take her out for walks almost daily, but I used to take her to the store like Home Depot, PetSmart, all those places. But one time she pooped in the middle of the store at Home Depot. I was so freaking embarrassed. I had to get the employee. It was just a mess. And since that moment, I told myself I'm not gonna take my daughter anymore. So I guess I just have to train her. Oh, there's waves. Look at that. That wave right there. Wow. Oh, it's going that way. It's getting cold, yeah. And I have a sweater on. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna go back to the hotel maybe. It's barely 4:30. Girl, the wind is no joke. I think I'm gonna go. Oh, look at that mountain. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I think I'm just gonna stay here a little bit longer and just admire the mountains. Beautiful trees. Look over there. Those are beautiful trees right there. It's so full of trees. Amazing. I was seriously wondering, like, where are the ducks? And they're right there. Hi, little duck. Thank you for coming by. Are you lost? Why are you alone? Oh, there's more ducks right there. Oh, I think he flew over there. So that's interesting. You know how the water was going this way. Now it's going this way. Look at that. So we saw the wave going like this, right? Now the water is going like this. That bird. It's so pretty. Look at that cute little cutie pie. Hi, little one. Oh no. Hi, little guy. Hi. They're friendly?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
So
their fur is so soft.
huh?
They're so soft.
Yeah.
Is it the water or the shampoo, the food?
The way they came, that's no. This is they're just soft. I mean their ears are known for it. I mean
Yeah. Oh.
They're cute if you like doggies.
I love
So
doggy.
do I.
Oh,
Do
look
you
at
have a
that.
doggy?
I have like 8.
Oh, 8 dogs.
Yeah.
Where do they live?
That does seem like
With
a
my
no.
mom. I live with my parents, so
Yeah, but where, like 8 dogs? Where?
yes. We live in a house, so we just
That's a lot of doggies. Yeah.
yeah.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh, isn't that cute?
Is he older?
She's yeah.
Oh.
She's, yeah.
She's 14.
14? Are you 14?
I can't hear too well or see too well, but I just
Love
love
attention.
attention.
And she loves her walks, you know.
Yeah, they look well taken care of.
You try. Why are you paying
What happened?
why aren't you paying any attention?
I know. Oh, he's paying attention to the other dogs.
Oh, of course.
Ellie?
There's a lot more ducks. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of ducks in here. Look. That's a lot of ducks right there. Over there, like a whole pack. Quack, quack. And then there's a bunch of them sleeping everywhere. Wow, it's like a pool party. Look at this little one. So you know the bookstore that I was looking for earlier? It's actually here. I guess they just moved. So I can kind of see what kind of books they have. I'm definitely gonna come tomorrow. They open at 10, so I'll be here at 10. This little guy, I guess he's cleaning the restaurant. Are you cleaning the restaurant? Wait. Okay, I don't know if you guys are able to see him. I mean, you guys can kind of see it. He definitely got a fry. Wow, that's a lot of food. And if you're wondering, yes, I did eat the whole chocolate bar, so it's totally gone. I'm so full. I bought too much food for sure. I shouldn't have bought, I mean, you know what? Let me stop myself there. It's okay, Erica. You bought the quesadilla. I'll just eat the other half tomorrow morning. I usually eat like around, I usually eat around 8:30, 9:30. That's my first meal. This is the hotel's restaurant, bin 189. That's the one where I saw their menu, but there's not too many. I mean, there is vegan options, but I don't know. I'll probably, because the checkout, it's at 11 a.m. And then, oh, the bird. Can you guys? the birds somewhere over there. Let's walk this way. Like I can read my book right here. Over there. Wow. Oh, it's like a conference room. I see, I see.